Why does the author list vitamin C, potassium, and folate in paragraph 1? A. To show examples of antioxidants. B. To explain why tomatoes are better uncooked. C. To list things that boost lycopene absorption. Or D. To show which other nutrients are present in tomatoes. Let's begin by locating where we see the author listing vitamin C, potassium, and folate in paragraph 1. We see this in the fourth sentence, which tells us that raw tomatoes are a source of lycopene, an antioxidant, and they're also a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Because the sentence starts off by telling us that tomatoes are a source of lycopene and only then goes on to tell us that they also include vitamin C, potassium, and folate, it would seem that our answer is D, to show what other nutrients are present in tomatoes. If we'd like to be sure, we can take a quick look at the other answers to rule them out. A. To show examples of antioxidants. Although the text tells us that lycopene is an antioxidant, it doesn't tell us that these nutrients are. This can be marked as incorrect. B. To explain why tomatoes are better uncooked. If anything, the passage goes on to tell us that cooking tomatoes can boost their lycopene levels. But in this sentence, there's no distinction being made between cooked and uncooked tomatoes. This can be marked as incorrect as well. And C. To list things that boost lycopene absorption. Later, the text tells us that cooking tomatoes does boost their lycopene content. But that's not the point that's being made here, and even if it were, it has nothing to do with the nutrients being listed, which is what our question is about. This can be marked as incorrect, and our original answer, choice D, can be marked as our final answer.